Today I'm going to paint a fall tree with this fossilized paint I found in a Magello palette somewhere in the back of my shop. I'm not sure exactly what kind of paint this is. I did not make a swatch of these paints, but I think they may be Daniel Smith or Schmincke watercolors because they have shrunk down and they are hard and are falling out of their designated wells. These watercolors are notorious for that. They have a gum arabic binder, and when dried, they dry down hard. This palette may have been one that I used for overflow of tubes when I opened them. Sometimes that happens when you open a tube of paint, and for a number of different reasons. It probably would have been better if I would have sprayed the watercolors with water and let them set for a few minutes, but I didn't. I can tell what some of the watercolors are, but I'm having to swatch them out to get a truer sense of the color, and I don't even know for sure the exact color even after swatching. I have a pretty good guess because I know what colors I own. If you find value in this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. So on with the video. I am pretty sure the first color I lay down is a lemon yellow or a cadmium yellow light. If you put an orange next to it and a green next to it, it would probably look more green. I am just going around the palette and laying in the color to add that fall look to the tree. I'm laying in some green into the tree because the trees that I'm looking at out my window here have a lot of green in them still, even though we have had a cold snap. I am doing the trunk with some what I think is burnt umber and trying to find a black to add for depth. I also take a dark and make some branches within the tree and add falling leaves and some on the ground for fall effect. I think you can see me at the end of the recording doing my short video. I will add some music so you can enjoy the rest. Watch the next video for how to draw a maple leaf and an oak leaf. Talk to you soon. Bye.